こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Fu Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Fu. This character consists of 4 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this one. Remember? In hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a jump, like this. The second stroke is this curved line below the first stroke. And it ends with a sweep, like this. The third stroke is this one. It ends with a jump, like this. The last stroke is this little diagonal line. And it ends with a stop. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。